Yo, you guys, so today we're gonna have a little look at this little masterpiece here. It's a full station for doing your job. It's make it much easier than other sets because everything is right in place and you got a little station where you can set everything down. You got all the material included and it's pretty straightforward to be honest. Are not gonna use it right away because obviously there's not much you will see there anyway. We're just gonna have a look what's actually in this package and how that looks like when it's built together and what you can expect out of it. So let's throw all this to the side, and here is our main station. As you can see, let's remove this little foil here. I've got a little display on here, and then we also have all these different tools and items. So let's remove all that and plug that in. This goes in the back. As you can see, this is our power support. There's a power button, and then also our input here for our little cable. So we throw that in. This is also where the magic will happen later on. So here's our headpiece. We can throw that on as well. Let's see. Let's go. Well, here we are. That's what that looks like. We can put that to the side, and we also got this little piece here, which is kind of like an, let's see, handle, I guess. Yeah, we're not gonna worry about that right now. So you're just gonna push that in here, then that's ready to be used. And let me remove that quick and show you how that was gonna work out though. Come on. Okay, it's really tight. Anyway. Oh, I did put the lock on. That was my bad. Okay, well anyway. So, and then when you use it, you can just, or if you not use it, you're just gonna leave it in here. Then you can just take it back out when you need it. So it's really organized on your working space. And when you're completely done, just make sure to throw it back in here to protect it. And then back in this little tube here. And then that can be stored away. And yeah, all in all, I think pretty neat set. A lot of options here to preset and control what you're doing. The display will show what's happening as well. And oh yeah, that's where that goes, the handle. And then we got also our material in here. We can just grab some of that. And here's a little tool to support us. All in all, really decent and quite a bit what we're getting for the price. This is a cable holder, by the way. So the cable is not getting in the way while we work. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I will see you around. My name is Badger. Take care. Have a good day. And until next time. Bye.